Well, look what we have right here. It's the LG G8 Think. So what is so special about it? Well, let's dig in and find out. Yo, what up guys? It's Colin here from CH Gadgets. So this is LG's flagship phone for the year, and they've made some major and minor improvements over last year. And in this video, we're gonna unbox it, set it up, and check out all the goodies. Let's go. But wait, before we get inside, there are a few important details on the outside of the box that I noticed a lot of people breeze right over in the unboxing videos. And I guess I understand if they don't know what they are and what they mean, they're just gonna breeze right past them and get to the good stuff on the inside. But LG thought it was important for you to know how cool these are, so they made it in big bold print on the outside. So let's just breathe through a couple of them real quick. Now, the first thing that we notice is DTS:X virtual surround sound, which should come in handy when you're watching TV shows and movies on your phone. And just like LG Bluetooth speakers and soundbar lineup for 2019, the G8 is also tuned by Meridian Audio. And for added bonus, there is also MQ8 audio decoding on board. And basically, MQ8 is short for Master Quality Authenticated. And this is a new way for you to experience high resolution audio from your supported devices such as this one, and also supported services such as Spotify or Tidal. And fun fact, this is the same high resolution audio decoder that is supported by a lot of high-end audio equipment from brands such as Aston Current, Audio Quest, TIAB, Blue Sound, Nova Fidelity, and Sony, just to name a few. So if you stream a lot of music, this addition should be really important to you. However, just in case you're unfamiliar with Meridian Audio or the MQ8 audio technology, I'm definitely going to be explaining a lot more about what they are and why they're so important in my review video. So make sure you click on that subscribe button and tap that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out when that video drops. Okay, let's get inside. There you go, on the top, a really nice microfiber cleaning cloth, LG branded. And there it is on the top. It can wait. And as you can see, this is the black color, but you can also get it in gray and a really nice red color that I like. Put it to the side. Check this out. This is LG promise to you. You get a 2-year warranty when you register your phone. Dig a little deeper, see what else inside. All right, get a little box in the box. Got some AT&T LG G8. Let's get started, guys. Got some AT&T stuff. And as you already noticed, this is the LG, this is the AT&T variant. Get a SIM ejection tool, and you get your safety and warranty information. A fast charger, LG style, and a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. So right off the bat, you can see that this phone doesn't really have a flashy design, but oh brother, it's intimidating now. Premium it feels in the hand. So as you can see, LG stuck with the same design language of the previous gen, but they went ahead and tweaked and streamlined everything, which is probably the reason why it feels so premium in the hands. So let's do a quick tour. So on the front, there's a 6.1-inch Quad HD Plus OLED display coming in at about 564 ppi for the Pixel Squad. And LG decided to roll with a notch on this one because they added some new tricks and features that require a special camera. So at the top, there's an 8-megapixel selfie cam with an f1.7 aperture at 26mm equivalent focal range. They also added a secondary TOF 3D camera, aka the Z-Cam, that will also be used to power some of those new tricks and features that LG has added in this phone. And we're definitely going to test those out. Now, the main 8-megapixel camera can definitely shoot 1080p HDR video at 60 frames per second. So here's something cool. LG has removed the earpiece speaker that used to be in the notch because they have trickled down some of their crystal sound OLED technology from their expensive OLED TVs down into their smartphones. This is where the entire screen is a speaker. I will definitely get into more on that in the full review video, but I just thought it was cool to mention it. So on the left side, you have your Google Assistant button, your volume rocker, and I'm not sure what this is, but I'm thinking it's an air port to release the air whenever the speaker's vibrating, so you could hear the sound. I'm not sure. And on the top, there's nothing. And on the right, you got your power, sleep wake button, and your SIM card tray. And on the bottom, we got your speaker port, USB Type-C charging port, microphone port, and yes, oh yes, we still have that headphone jack. Now, if you remember, the LG G7 was using the quad DAC SoC by ESS Technology, which was the ES9218P i5 SoC that have a 32-bit stereo channel. And if you didn't know, the ES9218P was the best headphone system on a chip i5 quad DAC that was available on the market for mobile devices such as this one. And I'm assuming that LG went ahead and used the same SoC inside the G8. So what does all of this mean? Well, we're definitely going to break it down in my full review video. So on the back of the phone, you get that G8 ThinQ branding with the LG logo and a traditional fingerprint scanner with that really nice flush dual camera setup. You get a 12 megapixel 27mm focal range equivalent at f1.5 and a 16 megapixel 16mm equivalent ultra wide at f1.9 aperture. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happened. LG G8 ThinQ, powered by Android. AT&T. All right, so I'm gonna get it set up and I'm gonna be back in a flash. All right, so we're back. We got it set up and I got all my information in. And I have to say, this thing is absolutely beautiful. If you look at the display on this thing, it's truly remarkable how they can make a display that is this bright, this vivid, and this clean, and I like it. And the fingerprint scanner works really fast too. There you go, as you can see. Well, this is a beautiful display minus that notch, but you already know what it is. I think I could get used to that. Let's see how it works out. So this is a really bright display, so let me see if I could take it down a notch. All right. And I'm assuming how bright this display is. It shouldn't be that hard to view it in the direct sunlight while you're out and about. So there's the home screen, got your apps. You know, you already got it AT&T style, so that bloatware, wish you can uninstall them, but it is what it is. Got some games, got all the little stuff that you need. Got the settings. Inside the settings, definitely gonna look through it, see what's new, what's not. We're definitely gonna report back in the full review video, but right now, we're just gonna try to breeze through it real quick. Let's see what's up. Got all your Google apps right there. And the camera. Let's jump in there real quick. So I was messing around with it real quick. You got that portrait mode, you got a studio, you got a regular auto, you got an AI cam. And that AI cam is something else. You got a manual mode, and we got some more. We're definitely gonna mess around with those, see what's up. Gonna take some photos, gonna take some videos, and we're definitely gonna see what's up in the review video. Now, I'm assuming if you're watching this video, then you probably already know about the G8. But just in case you didn't know, I'm gonna throw some of the internal specs up on the screen so you could check it out. But the TLDR is, on paper and in the hands, this is a bona fide flagship phone. And I don't see no stutter. This thing is buttery smooth, really nice. The screen is beautiful, it's pretty snappy, responsive to everything I give it so far. I'm gonna put some games, I'm gonna do some videos, and I'm gonna do everything, put it through its paces and see what's up. So my initial impressions so far, taking this out of the box, this is a solid smartphone with a lot to offer. And anyone who buys this will be completely happy and don't feel like they're missing out on anything. Because this has everything you would expect from a 2019 flagship and then some, minus the $1,000 price tag. Since you can pick this up anywhere from about $650 to about $850. Price varies based on carrier, but you can shop around and find out what's the best price for you. So check this out. I have at least 2 more videos coming with the LG G8, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Oh, hold up. Before we go, I remember they also sent out this case for me to put it in. So let me test that out on camera. There you go. That should keep it protected. Got a nice little lip. So you put it on the face. Don't scratch it up. So, that's it. Tell me what you think down in the comment section about the LG G8. And don't forget to click the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Peace.